Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file a UK tax return online. First, ensure you are registered for HMRC online services and have your Government Gateway user ID ready. This is your key to accessing the system. Next, collect all your financial records, such as P60s, P45, bank statements, and receipts for any allowable expenses. Knowing the submission deadline, usually January 31st, is crucial to avoid penalties. Once you have your documents, log into your Government Gateway account on the HMRC website. It's important to select the correct tax year to ensure accuracy. Carefully input all your income details, whether from employment, self-employment, or other sources like property rentals or investments. Double-check these figures to prevent errors later on. Now, it's time to enter your expenses and claim any allowances you are entitled to. This can significantly reduce your tax liability, so be thorough. If you've sold assets, remember to declare any capital gains or losses. Also, if you have income from abroad, ensure you declare it correctly, converting foreign currency at the appropriate exchange rates. Before submitting, take your time to meticulously review every section of your tax return. Check all figures, ensuring they match your records perfectly. Once you are confident, submit your return and save the confirmation for your records. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. This smart device can truly transform your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.